Day 21 Daihatsu L510 Classic rebuild. Well, nothing to report from the last video on this side. It's still all the same. Most of the floor pans all actually welded up now. A bit more to do there. Basically just clean it, wants cleaning up. Inner sill's done, so that's one good thing. Still the outer sill to go on and sort them areas, the reinforcing areas. Inner wing, I've got a plate to go on there, unless I just break it back over and weld it to the plate on the inside. That to clean up. Rear axle's been shot blasted and I've sort of started crusting it, but I'll do more of that later. I've got a plate, there's a plate to go on under here, on some more of the floor pan to clean up. And that one's all de-rusting. There's a nice big hole there on either side to sort, but I reckon another 5 days should be about finished for welding. Engine bay, there's a bit up here. And some on the inner wings. You can see the chassis legs at the front. You're going to have to drop the subframe to get to them. So I'll make another video in another few days. Bye for now.